Hi YouTube. My neighbour just gave me this light as a gift. I'm really pleased with it. It's like bright, but you can dim it and you can change colour and dim it. It's even got an emergency flasher thing. It's a really super nice light. It's got adjustable handle, magnets. You can just clip it on somewhere like that, something metal. And well, if there is any power cuts in the winter, obviously it's going to come in really handy, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant gift. Thanks Rick, thanks very much. Lovely gift. Well, I'll put a link in the description. You can buy it on Amazon, you know, in case anybody fancies getting one for themselves. God bless, thanks for watching.